I can't believe it. Where is Tate the Top G when you need him? I'm actually stuck in the Matrix. I might as well take this opportunity to enjoy the environment and take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime glitch bitch. Check out my rear, fellas. Whoa.
Excellent! Good!
It ain't for all that, sonny boy. Hello, who dis?
You already know who this is, Grams. It's the one and only Top G. Oh, I'm entering your bachelor pad as we speak. Get your sweet cheeks over here now for some
Fire extinguisher, J. I might be needing that.